Good morning, everyone. I'm going to go through the assignment with you guys, and then you'll do a practice quiz, and tomorrow you'll get your unit project. Okay, so question 1 says, find the volume of a driveway that is to be packed with gravel. The driveway is 30 feet long by 15 feet wide, and the gravel will be 16 inches deep. So step number 1, we need to convert the inches into feet, okay? So if 12 inches is equal to 1 foot, I know that 6 inches is equal to 0.5 feet, right? Half of a foot. Now I can do my length times width times height, okay? So I've got 30 feet times 15 feet times 0.5 feet, which gives me a total volume of 30 times 15 times 0.5 is 225 feet cubed. Okay, make sure you keep your units in there. A tin can, so I now know that I'm talking about a cylinder, okay? Diameter of 12 centimeters, and a height of 15 centimeters, has what volume? So the volume for a cylinder is pi times radius squared times height, okay? So pi is equal to 3.14. My radius is half of my diameter, so it's going to be 6 centimeters. And my height is 15 centimeters. Now, because I need radius squared, I can do that right away. So 6 squared is going to give me 36. Okay? So then I can plug everything in. I've got 3.14 times 36, right? Because that's my radius squared, which we figured out already, times 15. Plug those all in. 3.14 times 36 times 15 gives me 1,695.6 centimeters cubed. Okay? And the last one says a square-based prism needs to have a volume of 4.5 cubic yards. If the height is 1.5 yards, what are the dimensions of the base? Because it's a square-based prism, okay? Remember that volume in general is the area of the base times height. Okay? I have my height and I have my volume. So I need to figure out my area of my base, okay? Because it's a square, both sides are going to be the same. Remember that a square, all sides are identical. So my width and my length are going to be the same size. So I can figure this out, okay? I can go 4.5, and then I have yards cubed, divided by 1.5 yards is going to give me, so I have 4.5 divided by 1.5 gives me 3, okay? Now, I have two sides that need to be divided by 3 because both my sides are equal. So I can go 3, okay, and this is going to be yards squared because I have 1 yard here, so it'll cancel out one of the yards here, okay? So 3 yards squared divided by 2 is going to give me 1.5 yards, okay? So each side length is 1.5 yards, okay? So the dimension of the base is 1.5 yards by 1.5 yards for an area of 3 yards squared. If you have any questions, please send me a message in our classroom or send me an email. Bye, guys.